Okay, so here we go. We got the salon exclusive, only for stylists. Lucky us, the flat iron. So let's check this out and see what it looks like. I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm gonna need my other hand. Oh, it comes out. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. And here we are. And there's some bubble wrap, and we can see it's got the little thing there. And let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, ooh, that's a nice looking one. Oh, it's like Teflon or something. It's really nice and soft. This is going to flatten some good hair. And we can see there, it's got the little logo on it. And a regular plug. And there's a little instruction sheet for it, which is good to have. The user manual in English. Lucky us. So today we get English. Perfect. So looking forward to this flat iron, the straightener keratin ion. And it's got some information about it there. 450 degrees, it's gonna be pretty hot. Don't wanna burn your hair, so definitely be careful with it. Looking forward to this.